Hello everyone, so today I want to tell you about place of articulation, the English consonant sound. So first is bilabial. Bilabial occur when you block or spray the air blow from the mouth by bringing your lips together, like p, for example, like pen, b, back, and m, mat. Second is labiodental. Labiodental consonant occur when you block or constrict airflow by curling your lower lips back and raising it to touch your upper row of teeth, like f as in frog and f as in have. Next is dental. Dental occur when you block or constrict airflow by placing your slimy tongue against your upper teeth, like the and the. For example, the is a bath, the is the. Alveolar. Alveolar ridge is where your teeth meet your gums. You create alveolar consonant when you raise your tongue to the alveolar ridge to block or constrict airflow, like n, no, the, tap, the, dip, s, bus, the, jazz, and l, lock. Post-alveolar. When you retract your tongue back just a bit from the alveolar ridge, the sounds change enough to be recognized as distinct consonant. So post-alveolar consonants are those that occur when the tongue blocks or constricts airflow at the point just beyond the alveolar ridge, like sh, for example, like shot, s, vision, ch, match, j, jam. Next is palatal. You create palatal consonant when you raise the tongue to this point and constrict airflow, like as in going, k, back, g, good, w is wet. Last is glottal. Glottal consonants aren't actually consonant. They just play consonant roles in the language, like high.